Sometimes our legal system makes a mistake. Not the defendant or the police, rather the court itself. And it's an aspect of our legal system that goes mostly unspoken. There's a case here at Kurri Kurri Local Court that has a possible problem allegedly caused by the court. There's no public information about this case, there's no newspaper stories. It's one of the many cases we don't discuss. We talk all about the mistakes defendants make that land them with a case here at Kurri. And sometimes we see mistakes being made by the police. For example, not collecting the evidence correctly. And it's usually the magistrate who spots the mistakes, as it's their role to keep everything within the law. So in this Kurri case, there's heaps of paperwork because the defendant has multiple cases, including a case at Maitland Local Court where they were recently sentenced. The defendant is unrepresented. By the way, there are no solicitors involved and there's none even in the courtroom. I'm the only one sitting in the courtroom gallery. There's the police prosecutor, 2 court officers, and of course the magistrate. The 2 sheriffs are coming and going, but they're mostly outside dealing with the crowd. So who picks up the mistake allegedly made by the court itself? The magistrate. In my opinion, the magistrate does much more than just give out sentences. The majority of the time, they're keeping legal proceedings within the law. Whether it's checking the defendant has been properly served with the notice to attend court, or checking how much time's passed between the breath test and the blood test, all the finer details in the paperwork. So it's no surprise they flagged a possible issue. And it's an issue that could impact on the case over at Maitland as well. The magistrate who can't give the unrepresented defendant legal advice encourages them to go and seek legal advice. By the way, I get to hear all about this alleged mistake, including details, because it was said in open court while I was observing from the courtroom gallery. I think it's important to talk about all the aspects of the local court, the good, the bad, the funny, and the mistakes. It's important our legal system is following the law.